Hi, everybody. My name is Sarah Griffith, and I am a holistic health educator here in Irwin, PA. And I am so excited to be collaborating with the Greenberry to bring you a series of classes in the coming weeks and months on different holistic health topics. The great news is that these topics are going to vary with a lot of different, I'm going to bounce around from everything from holistic dentistry to hormones to lower tox living to help with autoimmunity, you name it. There's probably going to be a workshop for you, and I'm very excited about that. And so I just wanted to take a quick moment to let you know what this first workshop is going to be. So the first workshop is going to take place on January 9th from 7:15 to 8:15 p.m. You can bookmark that now, add it to your calendar, and if this workshop sounds like something you want to be a part of, you can go ahead and pre-register using our form that we'll share with you so that we can hold a spot for you in the class. So this first class is going to be all about menstrual health. It's basically a workshop that it's everything that your mom maybe didn't teach you about period health that you wish that she would have. And this is going to be a class that's perfect for mothers and daughters. So if you have a younger daughter who is still learning about her own cycle, she would be welcome to attend. The content will be appropriate for both. I will say that this workshop is specific for those women who are menstruating. If you are no longer menstruating, you may find this information helpful, in particular if you have someone at home who is, but the topic is really geared toward those in that season of life. So just keep that in mind as you potentially consider registering. But basically what I'm going to do is we will be together for an hour and I will be doing a lesson. My background is in teaching, and so I will be teaching you. And what we'll do is we're going to talk about your period health and how it's like a monthly report card. I'll share with you what the different patterns of blood mean and what they might be an indication of in regards to like your progesterone levels and whatnot. I will also be talking to you about reframing your thoughts about your monthly calendar in regards to living in a way that is more of a infradian living versus just a circadian. Like instead of just looking at your day and your month as a 24-hour day, instead looking at your month in regards to the phases of your cycle. I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm also going to talk to you about how to plan your fitness around where you are in your cycle, as well as eating for where you are in your cycle. There's different suggestions on how you should eat based off where you are in your cycle. And I'm also going to be sharing with you different holistic options. I'm very into holistic health, and so I will share with you some different holistic options to support yourself during the days leading up to your period and also during. So I'll share some holistic tools, some different brands that I really respect and use myself, and then just different approaches to support you during this time. I'll also share some tips for optimal hormone health, and I really just feel like you're going to leave this workshop with a ton of information that you may not already be equipped with. So I really look forward to this evening with you, and I hope that you'll join me and bring your friends or your daughters for this intimate evening of conversation. I look forward to it.